In the United States, federal income taxes are figured on a progressive matter, meaning that the more that you make, the more that you're going to pay in taxes, and the tax rate goes higher. Um, so we're going to be looking at the tax code and how it applies. In this assignment, it's going to look confusing of what we're doing. So we're going to multiply 9,525 by 0.10, and we're going to put our answer on the line below in that area where it says to add text. Then we're going to take 38,700 and subtract the 9,525 and get what that is going to be and multiply it by 0.22, and again we'll put that answer down below, and we'll continue to do that as we go. Remember to subtract that lower amount from the larger amount and then multiply.